Hello, everyone, and welcome to this free Forex Mentorship Program. First of all, thank you so much for being here and for making the decision to invest your time in learning about the financial markets. My name is Timothy Carey, Research and Market Analyst. I have a vast experience in the financial markets. This year in August, I'll be celebrating 10 years of experience in the financial markets. And over the next few weeks, or maybe probably months, depending on how long you stay committed to this particular journey, I will be taking you or walking you through this particular mentorship to give you guidance in the world of Forex trading. But before we talk about the charts, indicators, supports and resistance, or even different trading strategies, I want us to start with something much more important, and that is the mindset. Because the truth of the matter is, most people do not fail in Forex because they lack a strategy. Most people fail because they come into the financial markets with unrealistic expectations, a poor discipline, and also without a process that they can be able to follow through. Okay. So, and maybe probably like you've heard me sharing my story, or you've never heard, when I began in the financial markets, I was very good in analyzing the charts. But again, what really made me not to be successful at during my very first year is because of having unrealistic expectations, and also because of the aspect of having the wrong trading psychology. Okay. So, and my goal with this particular mentorship is not simply to teach you how to place trades. All right. My goal is to help you think like a professional trader, because trading is not gambling, and trading is not also guessing. Trading again is not also a get rich quick scheme. So trading is a skill, and what I want to impact you from this particular mentorship is you having to understand that trading skill. And like every skill, by the way, trading skill also requires education, it requires a practice, it requires a patience, it requires consistency. Okay. So, and you realize that from my point of interaction, because I've been a mentor for quite some time, I've mentored or interacted with more than 5,000 students learning the financial markets. And for many people that I've interacted with that enter into the forex trading, you find that there are people who come after seeing maybe probably screenshots on social media showing profits, maybe probably someone showing luxurious lifestyle, expensive cars, and people claiming that they have turned a small account into millions overnight. Right. And many people, or that particular aspect has lured a lot of people to enter into the financial market with the wrong perspective or a wrong mindset. Unfortunately, social media often shows the outcome, but rarely shows the process. Okay. So that's what you need to understand. So what you don't see are the years of learning, the mistakes, the losses, the emotional battles, and the discipline required to become consistently profitable. So if you are here looking for instant riches, this mentorship may disappoint you. But if you are here to build a real skill that can potentially create financial freedom over time, then you are in the right place. Okay. So throughout this particular mentorship, we are going to focus on building strong foundations. Okay. So, and think of forex trading like constructing a building. Okay. So you cannot start with the roof, you begin with the foundations. So a weak foundation will lead to a building collapsing. A strong foundation is what is going to create a longevity, right? This also applies in the financial market. You need a strong foundation so that it can be able to help you have that longevity. So what exactly will we be covering during this particular mentorship? So we will begin by understanding what Forex actually is, what moves the currencies, what does the US dollar, why does the currencies maybe probably rise and fall, why do they move? We look at the central bank decisions, why do they matter, how inflation affect the market, We will also learn how the global economy influences the price movement, and from there we will move into the market structure, whereby we'll be able to understand how to read price action, how trends are formed, how institutional moves the market, how liquidity works, how buyers and sellers interact. And once we understand the market, we'll then start discussing different trading strategies. Okay, not 10 strategies, not 20 strategies, but just a few proven concepts that have been proven, that you can understand deeply, and very easy to understand, and it will help you to execute consistently. Why am I looking at it in terms of simplicity? Is because simplicity wins in trading. Professional traders are not looking for excitement, they are looking for consistency. And we will also spend a lot of time discussing risk management. In fact, risk management may be the single most important topic in this particular mentorship, because even with the best strategy in the world, you will still fail. But if risk management is up to par, right? So what am I saying? Even with the best strategy in the world and you have poor risk management, you will still fail. And you understand that professional traders, they focus first on protecting their capital, then profits comes a second. Okay, so your job as a trader is survival. All right, your job as a trader is survival. So if you survive long enough, you give yourself the opportunity to grow. Another area we'll be discussing is trading psychology. This is the part that surprises many traders, especially the newbies. You can have an excellent strategy, right? You can have an excellent strategy and still lose money because of emotions. That is fear, greed, revenge trading, over trading, fear of missing out, moving stop losses, closing trades too early. These are not strategy problems, they are psychological problems, and every trader experiences them. Therefore, learning to control emotions is one of the biggest difference between amateur traders and professional traders. Right? Now, let me tell you what I expect from you during this particular mentorship. Number one, I expect you to be patient. Learning Forex is not a 1 week journey. Do not rush the process. Number two, I want you to be consistent, because even if you spend only 30 minutes a day learning, consistency will outperform intensity. Okay. Number three, I want you to ask questions. There are no stupid questions here. So the goal is understanding. Number four, I want you to focus on learning before earning. Why? Because too many traders, they focus on money because they have developed the skill necessary to make money. So I want you to shift your focus from profits to competence, all right? Because the profits are usually the byproduct of competence. So focus on competence first. Number five, I want you to avoid comparing your journey with someone else, right? So some traders, they learn fast. Some traders, they take longer. This is normal. So your only competition is who you were yesterday. Okay, your only competition is who you were yesterday. Right? Now, let me share what success in trading actually looks like. Success is not winning every trade. That does not exist in the financial market. You'll not win every trade. Professional traders, they also lose trades all the time. They lose trades all the time. You'll find them not every time. What I mean is not every trade they take that becomes a winning trade. Okay, so success is following your plan regardless of the outcome of a single particular trade. So what I may be probably trying to sum up success, I will say that success is consistency, success is discipline, success is proper risk management, success is preserving capital, success is thinking in probabilities rather than certainties. And trading is a game of probabilities. Okay, no setup works 100% of the time. Our objective is not to be right every time. Our objective here is to make more when we win than we lose, we lose when we go wrong. All right, so that is how professional traders think. As we conclude this first session, I want to leave you with three important principles. First, protect your capital. Second, protect your psychology. And third, protect your process. All right, so if you protect these three things, your chances of a long-term success increases significantly. All right, so I'm excited to begin this particular journey with all of you. And thank you so much for trusting me with your time and your learning. And in the next session, we will be beginning by understanding what Forex is, how the market works, who are the participants in these particular markets, and why trillions of dollars are exchanged every single day. Until then, stay curious, stay disciplined, and remember, trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So see you in the next session, right?